Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert comma for numbers in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert comma for numbers. Firstly, insert a text box. Click the draw text box option and insert a text box. Then zoom out the document. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now we click between two numbers, then press comma on our keyboard. We apply the same process in another number. Now we can see we insert comma for numbers very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.